Assalamu alaikum students, this video lecture is for pre-9th class subject English lesson number 5 exercise. Today we will do figures of speech. Its first figure of speech is simile. Students, actually simile is the figure of comparison in which two dissimilar things are compared by using the word like or as. For example, they fought like cats and dogs, and here we have compared two dissimilar things by using the word like or as. And another example is he is as strong as an ox. Here also we have compared two dissimilar things by using as. He is as strong as an ox. We have done comparison between he, boy, and an ox. Now see, here we have given we have a definition of a simile and some examples. A simile is a figure of speech in which like or as is used to make a comparison between two ideas that are basically dissimilar. See, here we are doing comparison between two dissimilar things by using the word like or as. For example, her eyes twinkle like stars. Here we have done comparison between her eyes, the eyes of girl, and between star by using the simile word like. Here we have done comparison, so it is a simile. She was as busy as a bee. Here also we have done comparison between two dissimilar things between she, girl, and a bee, and by using the word as, so it is a simile. Next we have a second metaphor figure of speech, and actually the metaphor is an implicit comparison without using the word like or as. In metaphor we are not using like or as, but we are doing comparison between two dissimilar things. See, for example, he is a shining star. Here we have not used like or as, but we are comparing two dissimilar things. He is a shining star. Its second example can be her long hair was a flowing golden river. Here also we have done comparison, but we have not used like or as. See, we have its definition. If we write a comparison between two things and omit the word like, then we are using a metaphor. Here we have some examples. He proved a line in the fight. Here we have done comparison between two dissimilar things, but we have not used the word like or as. So its second example is his heart is red rose. Here also we have done comparison, but we have not used the word like or as. So it is a metaphor. Students, these two figures of speech you will learn at home, and thank you very much.